two hips here, you can provide one hips on the 3.3. No?
Yes, we will put it in the point. This will help.
So the heat for BAB will be not dedicated to logic solver for the hips. We will use the existing ABB system. That done. This for the point.
So repeat again. Existing what? Existing is
ABB is a shutdown system. So these valves will be connected to the existing ESD system in BAB.
Okay.
So I think that we should not be mentioned any HIPS system. HIPS will be defined as a separate logic solver, separate.
Not necessarily. We can, as long as the complete function, if we can ensure it meets in 3.
Yes, okay. This is okay. We
have many applications where the logic solver we use FIL3 PLC, which is yes. It will not be a separate dedicator. So we have switched to ABB, that is 800 HM, I think, controller, which is in 3 anyway.
Okay.
Existing USD systems are significant.
So I think that we want to deal with this point as a CIF or ESD loop, not as a HIPS.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Will be additional CIF in addition to the existing one.
So that's the overall.
Okay, the ensure we will ensure. All will be set 3. The solver.
We can check the cell ratings based on the equation of this stone valve to the piping. We can check the cell.
Yes, but this will be in addition to the existing layers of protection, because it will independently, it will not resolve. So it will be integrity between the existing one as well as the new one.
To check the cell.
Existing, because existing will not help me, right? This function has to be FIL3. Existing will not help.
We made a credit, I believe we made a credit on the existing one. We didn't.
Only thing is, okay, with the two, once it goes to FIL3, you need to have a minimum 2 STBs. HFT need to be 1.
So it will be a purely HIPS.
And then
It's typically
physically with the FIL3 functions.
Okay.
The logic solver can be implemented in the plant EHT system. Or you need to FIL3. I think it is FIL3. EHT system plus FIL3 system. That only the valve shifting. And then one additional valve.
Neck pickup. Deep seated hips.
Neck 26 inch.
Deep seated hips. No hips will be. I think that no hips will be mentioned in the report.